When you vote on the 4th of July, I'm asking you to do one thing. Think about Wales. Think about your community and all the services disappearing after 14 years of Tory cuts. Think about your family and the long NHS waiting lists on Labour's watch in Wales, leaving you worried about your loved ones. This is not as good as it gets. In this election, vote for the one party that always stands up for Wales and a fairer, more ambitious future.
I trust Plaid Cymru because the Tories don't care about Wales and Labour take Wales for granted. As a small business owner, I want my MP to fight for a better future for our community. For me, that's why I vote for Plaid Cymru.
Unlike the other parties, Plaid understands rural Wales too. I know that when I vote for Plaid Cymru on the 4th of July, I'll be voting for a strong voice for farming, my community and my country at Westminster. It's not just about who will be the next Prime Minister, it's about who will do the best for Wales.
Because whoever is in Downing Street, Tories or Labour, both have a long record of letting Wales down. Your money is going to pay for a high-speed rail link in England, while Wales gets nothing at all. Money that could be spent on our NHS or on our transport link. Fairness and ambition. That's what Plaid Cymru wants for Wales.
I want the best for my children's future. What we leave the next generation is so important to me. That's why voting for Plaid just makes sense. In Wales, Plaid have already secured more free childcare, which means families can keep more of what they earn. And I know that Plaid Cymru stand up for a more hopeful future when they speak in Parliament. That matters a lot to me.
It matters to me too. Time is up for the Conservatives, and Labour have no real vision of their own. Every government of any party have to be held to account. So think about Wales, think about Plaid Cymru. For a fairer, more ambitious Wales and a party on your side. Vote Plaid Cymru on July the 4th.